Here's a 2014 Fiat 500c. This flirty, fun-to-drive convertible is exactly what's needed to make those daydreams of yours a reality. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. External memory control, wireless phone connectivity, front heated sports seats, rear parking sensors, multi-function steering wheel, leather steering wheel, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, power convertible roof, sport suspension, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver calls the 500c super cute and super chic. So whether you call it a cabrio, a convertible, or Giuseppe, this little Italian should have no problem finding its share of buyers. Live assertively, drive a Fiat. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 888-827-2813.